More daytime murders in Jamaica than ever before. However, 6 to 8:59 p.m. is the most dangerous time in the country.
Teach them! Always make sure the message will reach them!
Viewers, nearly half the number of murders recorded in Jamaica so far for 2021 occurred during the daytime, primarily between the hours of 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. This according to statistics compiled by the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Between January 1 and Monday the 8th of March, a total of 280 murders were recorded across the island's 19 police divisions. Interestingly, 135 of those killings occurred between 6 a.m. and 5:59 p.m. A breakdown of the data shows that nationally there were 37 killings between 6 a.m. and 8:59 a.m., accounting for a majority of the daytime murders. There were 33 murders between 9 a.m. and 11:59 a.m., 25 between noon and 2:59 p.m., and 30 between 3 p.m. and 5:59 p.m. A total of 71 murders occurred between 6 p.m. and 8:59 p.m., the largest for any of the 3-hour time period created by the JCF. The period between 9 and 11:59 p.m. was the next with 53 reported killings. The JCF statistics further revealed that there were 18 killings between midnight and 2:59 a.m. and 13 between 3 a.m. and 5:59 a.m.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!